You walk into a room and forget why you went there. You read the same paragraph 3 times and still don't absorb it. Your thoughts feel like they're swimming through thick mud. This isn't normal tiredness. This is brain fog. And if you're struggling to focus, to think clearly, to just feel mentally sharp again, you're far from alone. Millions of American adults are living in a constant mental haze, wondering if this foggy, unfocused state is just how life is now. But what if it doesn't have to be this way? What if there are real, proven, natural ways to clear that fog and reclaim your mental clarity? Stay with me, because today we're breaking down exactly how to do that. Brain fog isn't a clinical diagnosis you'll find in medical textbooks, but it's incredibly real to those experiencing it. It shows up as poor memory, lack of focus, mental exhaustion, slow thinking, and a persistent feeling that your brain simply won't cooperate anymore. The causes are varied: chronic stress, poor sleep quality, systemic inflammation, nutritional deficiencies, digital overload, and increasingly sedentary modern lifestyles. Your brain is a physical organ that requires proper fuel, adequate rest, and regular stimulation to function optimally. When these fundamental needs aren't met, cognitive performance suffers dramatically. The encouraging news: you can rebuild your mental clarity using natural, science-backed methods. Today, we're walking through 7 powerful strategies to help you reclaim sharp focus and clear thinking. Strategy 1: sleep. Let's start with the absolute foundation of brain health: sleep. During deep sleep stages, your brain clears metabolic waste through a remarkable system called the glymphatic system. This is essentially your brain's cleaning crew, flushing out toxins and cellular debris that accumulate during waking hours. Without quality sleep, these toxins build up, neurons begin misfiring, and cognitive performance drops significantly. Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours nightly. But here's the critical part: it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 65 and 68 degrees. Make it dark, truly dark, using blackout curtains if necessary. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light disrupts melatonin production. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking at the same times, even on weekends. If you're consistently waking up feeling groggy and mentally clouded, you're not cycling properly through deep and REM sleep stages. Sleep optimization alone can dramatically transform your focus and mental clarity. Sleep deprivation is genuinely one of the fastest, most effective ways to destroy cognitive function. Prioritize sleep with the same importance you give to eating. Your brain depends on it. Strategy 2: hydration and fuel. Your brain is roughly 75% water by composition. Even mild dehydration, as little as 2%, causes measurable shrinkage of brain tissue and significantly impairs concentration and cognitive performance. Drink water consistently throughout your day. Not soda, not energy drinks loaded with sugar, just clean water. Next, let's talk fuel. Your brain operates primarily on glucose, but wild blood sugar fluctuations cause energy crashes and mental fog. Avoid refined carbohydrates and sugar-heavy processed foods. Instead, focus on whole foods, dark leafy greens, fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, colorful berries packed with antioxidants, nuts, eggs, and quality lean proteins. These provide stable, sustained energy along with essential nutrients. Key micronutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants actively protect neurons from oxidative damage and support neurotransmitter production. If your diet consists primarily of processed junk food, your brain will perform like junk. It truly is that straightforward and direct. Strategy 3: movement. Physical exercise isn't just beneficial for your body, it's one of the single most powerful tools available for optimizing brain health and cognitive function. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients to neural tissue. It stimulates neurogenesis, the actual creation of new neurons, particularly in the hippocampus, your brain's memory center. Exercise also releases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports learning, memory formation, and overall cognitive function. You don't need to become a marathon runner or spend hours in the gym. A brisk 30-minute walk daily can produce massive cognitive benefits. Resistance training, yoga, even simple stretching routines all contribute positively. Movement reduces systemic inflammation, balances hormone levels, and directly clears mental fog. Prolonged sitting throughout the day is genuinely cognitive poison. Get up regularly, move your body. Your brain will reward you with improved clarity. Strategy 4: stress and mindfulness. Chronic, unmanaged stress floods your system with cortisol, a hormone that in elevated levels actively damages the hippocampus, your brain's memory center, and impairs prefrontal cortex function. You can't eliminate stress completely from modern life, but you absolutely can learn to manage it effectively. Mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and journaling help regulate your nervous system. Even just 5 minutes of focused, intentional breathing measurably lowers cortisol levels and sharpens attention. Research studies demonstrate that regular meditation practice increases gray matter density in brain regions directly tied to attention control and emotional regulation. If you're constantly operating in fight or flight mode, your prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for executive function, decision-making, and sustained focus, essentially shuts down. You must calm your nervous system. This isn't optional for cognitive health. Strategy 5: digital hygiene. Your smartphone and digital devices are specifically engineered to hijack and fragment your attention. Every notification, every scroll, every ping breaks your concentration and destroys deep focus capacity. The average American checks their phone over 90 times daily. That constant task switching obliterates your ability to think deeply and maintain sustained attention. Set firm boundaries with technology. Turn off all non-essential notifications immediately. Use airplane mode during focused work periods. Implement screen-free zones in your life, like the first hour after waking and the final hour before sleep. Batch your digital time instead of reactively responding throughout the entire day. Understand this clearly. Multitasking is a complete myth. Your brain cannot actually perform two cognitively demanding tasks simultaneously. It's rapidly switching between them, which burns enormous mental energy and destroys clarity. Protect your attention span like it's your most valuable asset, because it absolutely is. Strategy 6: cognitive training. Your brain demonstrates neuroplasticity. It physically changes and adapts based on how you actively use it. Challenge your brain regularly. Learn a new language, play a musical instrument, solve complex puzzles, read challenging, substantive material. These activities build cognitive reserve and strengthen neural pathway connections. Passive consumption, endless social media scrolling or binge-watching television doesn't provide cognitive benefits. Your brain requires active, engaged participation. Deliberately mix up your daily routines. Take different routes when driving. Use your non-dominant hand for routine tasks. Novelty and variation actively stimulate neuroplasticity. The more consistently you challenge your brain, the sharper it remains over time. Treat your brain exactly like a muscle. Use it actively or lose capacity. Strategy 7: Natural nutrients. Even with a solid whole food diet, modern agricultural soil depletion and chronic lifestyle stress create nutritional gaps for many people. Certain specific nutrients are absolutely critical for optimal cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, support brain cell membrane structure. B vitamins fuel neurotransmitter production and energy metabolism. Magnesium regulates stress response and supports hundreds of enzymatic reactions. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress that damages neurons. Adaptogenic herbs like rhodiola help your body handle stress more efficiently. Traditional herbs like Bacopa Monnieri and Ginkgo Biloba have centuries of use and growing scientific research supporting memory and cerebral circulation. Phosphatidylserine supports healthy cell membrane function. Huperzine-A may help protect acetylcholine, a critical neurotransmitter for learning and memory. Lion's mane mushroom is being studied for supporting nerve growth factor production. If you're not obtaining adequate amounts of these through food alone, targeted supplementation can help fill nutritional gaps. NeuroSharp as support. This brings us to NeuroSharp, a natural supplement specifically formulated with research-backed ingredients including Bacopa Monnieri, Ginkgo Biloba, Phosphatidylserine, Huperzine-A, lion's mane mushroom, rhodiola, and essential B vitamins. It's designed to complement and support the lifestyle strategies we just covered, not replace them. Understand this clearly. No supplement can outwork a terrible lifestyle. But when properly paired with quality sleep, proper nutrition, regular movement, and effective stress management, NeuroSharp provides targeted nutritional support for focus, memory retention, and mental clarity. It's about supplying your brain with the raw materials it needs to function at optimal levels. Results vary significantly from person to person based on individual biochemistry and lifestyle factors. This isn't a magic pill or instant solution. It's a supportive tool, one component of a comprehensive strategy. Like anything worthwhile, consistency matters significantly. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing medical conditions or take prescription medications. If you're genuinely serious about clearing brain fog and sharpening your mental focus, we've created a valuable free resource specifically for you. It's called the Focus Brain Reset Ebook. Inside, you'll find a complete and practical 7-day implementation plan that will guide you through the systematic application of these strategies step by step. You'll also find direct links to learn more about NeuroSharp and how it fits into a comprehensive approach to brain health. Download it for free at https://reset-vitalresethealth.com. For more specific information about NeuroSharp, visit the description below. Start today. Your mental clarity is waiting for you. If this video was helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the Vital Reset Health channel for more evidence-based health content. Drop a comment below letting us know which strategy you're committing to start with first. Let's reset your brain naturally. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.